Welcome to 3121 Malton Court, a beautifully maintained home tucked away in the coveted Evergreen community, offering comfort, functionality, and effortless everyday living. As you step inside, you're greeted by a light and open floor plan with living and dining room areas connected seamlessly, and a thoughtfully designed kitchen with modern finishes, ample cabinetry, and generous counter space. A first floor half bathroom adds convenience and functionality to the floor plan. The second floor features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Each room feels calm and comfortable, and the primary bedroom creates a true relaxing retreat. The bathrooms have been tastefully updated with clean, contemporary finishes, adding to the home's move-in ready appeal. Step outside to a private backyard designed for enjoyment and relaxation, ideal for entertaining, gardening, or unwinding after a long day. Enhanced by a hot tub and a flexible ADU that's perfect for home office, storage, or creative space. They say real estate is all about location, and this home is perfectly positioned in a sought-after neighborhood just minutes from Evergreen Village Square's shops and dining, along with 3 of the city's top-ranked schools. 3121 Malton Court offers a wonderful blend of space, light, and location, a home that's easy to love and ready for your next chapter.